The court finds, after reviewing all of the testimony that has been presented here, as well as exhibits 1 through 31, as well as the argument that has been made by both the state's defense and the state's attorney and the defense attorney, the court finds that the state has met its burden of probable cause, and I find that there is probable or sufficient cause to believe that the defendant, Chad Daybell, committed the offenses counts 1 through 4 as designated in the amended criminal complaint. I will bind the defendant over to the district court.
We start with continuing coverage right now. Chad Daybell will be appearing in district court, which means he might be heading to trial.
This comes after a 2-day preliminary hearing in Fremont County. Bree, we learned from some of the FBI agents that they took the stand today. In fact, a lot of different agencies were there today to testify, authorities from several. The prosecuting attorney spent quite a bit of his time verifying the collection of evidence from FBI officials, and at one point the state asked an intelligence analyst to read text messages between Chad and his former wife, Tammy Daybell.
This was the one referenced in previous court documents where Chad stated he killed a raccoon and then buried it on his property. This is why the FBI says that message stood out to them.
I was well aware that that date, the 8th of September 2019, was the last day that Tylee Ryan was seen alive. And so upon reading this text message in which Chad appears to claim to have started a fire, shot and killed a large animal, and buried it on his property, I recognized that it was sent the day after Tylee Ryan was last seen alive, and I became concerned.
So coming up tonight at 6 o'clock, we'll talk about the closing arguments that led to today's judge's decision. It's a crazy case. Daybell's next hearing set to be on Friday, August 21st. That'll be at 9 o'clock in the morning.